In this video, I list 7 cryptocurrencies I still prefer despite the bad market. Disclaimer. We have great potential in the next few years, and this bear market doesn't impede that. Methinks. These are cryptocurrencies that crypto investors should watch. Let me know if you agree or disagree with my list as we go through it. Obviously, I'm not covering all great altcoins in this video. I'll be producing another list for subscribers soon. Polygon is one of the top cryptocurrency ventures today. I think it will get bigger and better over time. It's one of the greatest. I mean projects from a user and development perspective. Shares why it can implement, integrate, and partner. In my opinion, Polygon has one of the best execution teams. The title explains how Polygon is using cryptocurrency. Exodus from Terra means Terra's ecosystem disintegrated, and projects. Many Terra players may be looking for a new home. Terra-based crypto projects could rank 50th. Ryan Watt, CEO of Polygon Studios, is happy that the network has switched. Terra's capacity to incorporate so many projects into the ecosystem. Polygon's multi-million-dollar fund has attracted talent. When Terra collapsed in May, these projects were thrown into doubt. Choose to band together and tie their wagons. An Ethereum Layer 2 scaling alternative is a wagon with a Polygon. Derby players play to win. The One Planet NFT market and the Luniverse Metaverse platform are well known. Polygon has attracted well-known enterprises that could have gone elsewhere. A huge Polygon is a huge win. Polygon's success. The VeChain environment didn't seem to attract Terra as well. Despite VeChain asking Terra developers to apply for a grant, none have. Like many other projects, Polygon Wyatt switched to VeChain. In addition to 48 Polygon trial projects, the network. Additional initiatives to follow, saying we're welcoming everyone. 𝐁𝐄𝐓-compatible chains are wise after the Terra breakdown. I hope developers use EVMs. So they don't have to rebuild. We'll discuss EVM again when we discuss Polkadot. Polygon is today's #1 cryptocurrency project. This is not an altcoin, but I'd be remiss not to include this. I'm bullish on Bitcoin, which has reached a major milestone. 1 billion addresses have been established, hence this quantity may pretty much be ignored. It's only going to go up until it stops, so the fact that it's still moving up is surprising. 1 billion is wonderful, and Bitcoin is the most decentralized. Censorship resistant, unconfiscated if stored properly, undebasable, and the world is awakening. How can Bitcoin benefit people throughout the world? Why not be optimistic? Global inflation rates are 200. The world needs Bitcoin because the US is inflationary and doesn't have enough money. Does it really stand out among countries with inflation of over 15%? As a result, Bitcoin is on our list today. It's easy to joke about, but difficult to ignore. Solana is an alternative to Ethereum and L1 for several reasons. Because of its network effect, its growth can't be ignored. In a bear market, Solana has boosted daily active addresses by 87. According to the 𝐂𝐓 metric, Solana NFT volume is down 87% year to date. Daily gas fees paid illustrate demand for all platforms. Ether had higher block costs. The Ethereum community said dong. Daily gas fees paid for Ethereum versus Solana are very positive. Solana often has higher daily fees than Ethereum. Hugely enthusiastic about the network, and Solana has the first alternatives to Ethereum native platforms, such as Coinbase is multi-chain, but Ethereum is my favorite. Many people are comparing Ethereum to what's happening in Solana. Solana is like Ethereum in 2018. Ethereum was a great investment in 2018. Nobody can forecast the future, but consider Ethereum. Despite many predicting a drop to zero if Solana falls below $15,000. I think 50x is possible, yet its supporters want it nuked to zero. Outages and malfunctions. Solana wins because hype always triumphs. Do any of our audience members like Polkadots? Not Duplicate Polkadot is an app-specific blockchain ecosystem with 100 plus modules. DOT was constructed by Gavin Woods, who invented the Ethereum virtual machine. After Vitalik authored the white paper, Dan Reeder created Solidity and coded Ethereum. Dan is a great Polkadot expert. First, blockchain security. Blockchains are protected by Polkadot. Diagram, whereas other multi-chain ecosystems don't. The greatest distinction with the Cosmos is that developers must spend time securing each Cosmos chain. They spent time and money on validators and chain security. Hundreds of millions of dollars will be invested to secure their blockchain. We co-founded Polka 3.5 years ago. Cosmos, ETH2, and Polkadot were evaluated because Polkadot delivers. We can integrate our blockchain with this security. Polkadot connects blockchains, hence it offers. Polkadot's blockchains are interoperable. This trend of modular blockchains. Blockchain applications. Polkadot's done this for 5 years. Polkadot is betting on application-specific blockchains. This permits many chains to execute one unique job. Legacy systems like Ethereum work together. It is pretty generic and allows any application, whether gaming, D5 or IoT. I'm not a specialist, but I do many things. Varied. I've covered a handful of these, bottom left. Another reason 𝐂𝐑𝐘 opted to build was Substrate. The Polkadot ecosystem uses the Substrate SDK. Its modular nature allows us to design specialized building blocks. Palettes provide new blockchain capabilities. It is cool since many of the palettes are already assembled. How do you inject a palette that hasn't been built? New palette or new functionality without a fork. Developers can improve their chain without having to fork with a substrate. A chain link or a column builds a new palette for oracles or fluids. Staking lets you improve your blockchain without forking it. It allows any Polkadot chain and the brand itself to be future-proof. Next on our list is BNB, Binance's native token. I think finance will remain the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. The BNB token's success depends on Binance's. I think Binance will remain the world's largest exchange. That's why I believe in the BNB token if you trust in the exchange. Binance burns 44 million BNB tokens, which is good for tokenomics. The BNB chain has finished its latest quarterly auto burn token. Today's burn event is the BNB chain's largest. 20th since late 2017, auto burn in the third quarter. The quantity of tokens burned depended on BNB pricing and blocks. The BNB chain burns a portion of the waste. BNB chain's gas fees are real-time, thus more usage means more burning. If you're a subscriber, let me know in the comments. If you subscribe, comment, and have a channel recommendation. A coin you like despite the bear market comments. I'll read and comment, and today's final coin is a surprise. Ethereum 2 is new. The L2 token is issued after Starkware certifies the Starknet token. Is optimism dwindling? I just completed Starkware, an Ethereum L2 solution. Proving its Starknet token, it will be volatile with a first dip. I'd be bullish on the token because I'm bullish on the project. At Starkware they will launch a coin for their Starknet network. Transaction costs and rewards for Starknet Layer 2. Processors, 50.1% of tokens will be given by the Starkware Foundation through community activities. Using Starkware, you may acquire an airdrop. Using Ethereum may have this effect. Today, airdrop-free Starknet token joins our list, similar to Optimistic. Click on one of these videos. I'll see you tomorrow.